Welcome back. We are going to see in listening and speaking meetings, how to attend meetings, how to participate in a meeting. Meetings are an inevitable feature in professional life. Equip yourself to be an active participant in meetings. Meetings are an essential component as a means of constant communication with management, employees, and other stakeholders in an organization. Meetings are an inevitable and appropriate channel. Information is shared, problems are solved, and progress of projects is reviewed. Meetings could either be informal or formal. Size of meeting could range from 2 people to several hundred, depending on the purpose and size of the organization. In order to be an active participant, you need to do some preliminary work. Be informed about the meeting. First, purpose of the meeting. What items will be discussed? Who are the people who will be attending the meeting? Location for face-to-face meeting. Platform and login details for online meetings. Start and end times. During the meeting, the agenda is discussed at the beginning of the meeting. You can raise the point about something you'd like to be covered in the meeting. Watch the notes you jotted down beforehand about the topics of interest to you. Avoid talking too much, as that could dilute your impact on the more important subjects. If somebody else has already said what you wanted to say, there is no need to make the same point a second time. If you want to show support for what was already said, you can provide an abbreviated version of the arguments, or you can simply nod or provide short verbal cues such as yes or I agree. When the time is right to make a point, make sure that you have the organizer's permission to speak and then clearly state what you have to say. Respect the rights of other people to disagree. Remember, it's not your meeting and other people want to move on to different subjects. If you don't agree with something, let people know how you feel, but do not monopolize the discussion. These are the things you have to remember in the meeting. After the meeting, when the minutes are published, read them carefully. Compare them with your own memory of what was discussed in the meeting. Let the organizer know right away about any significant differences which was told. Make sure that you know what actions were assigned to you and follow on them as quickly as you can. If you have a good feeling about the meeting, let the organizer know. After all, everybody likes to hear positive feedback. These are the important points you have to note down in the meeting. That's the end. Thanks for watching this video. We meet again next time.